sa Messi for no motor blocks no. Omo trot to me say wa wo gina nche to me say chia pa. O se to wo na e wo a e betene. It is entire ya na just enyanwo ye.
Enyanwo ye.
So that is the practice I edit krum had mo say. Oh ye ntwe e wo e betene. Ye wi a oh ye be ye wi. Sir John, ma bi nchia na mi nchia tifo.
Yes.
Na mi nchia mpanyifo amwaji bro mo hwe yen ene anopai. Via on Facebook. And mo amuti or radio so. Mira na na mo ama hene me bom ase de ma wona no pay mpanyfo mo nya bro muti na ba kwa me kwachi Jesse no de ma me no ba ko ni ale me hoye wahi wo eyo yo head ba ko ni
enya me ya
tuntum ntina ma sheda she tuntum no se dia me she tuntum oh de fe de fe pa we made in kwada so kwada so dwom honum na made in kwada so obi pe bi onko tobi because efe we yem promote ya yankasa ye dia Sir John ya dia we I mean nya fe ne yakwa
wenye puma ne
why dey yakwa fabrics no fabrics ye ya na ye but yakwa kokra but dum say fabrics no dey ma ye fabrics no ye fa free ha na de ko
ye dia no
raw materials ni na ye fa free Ghana na ye de akọ na akọfo na akọ recycle no mo akwa ye hu niema no mo de aba na say ato na mo
anyem akra so
no everything
sa na yetie
table ye see had mo say so so udim ne de ye sawdust ye sawdust ya akoso koban a omutwitwa wura ni omutwitwa enua ni wia no mo adigya tu machine no na bro ni dia ye China ni dia ye table ye tisu yi
o de niema chemicals aka ho
sawdust ye akoso koban ye twitwa na ti na wura no sawdust de be twa to machine no but China ni ba fa akọ no or the chemicals in the ma bi aka ho no akwakoye no de aba ni ya sato
ye wo krikitu amu na ye be sports ye be sports ani e kosesa na ye di abegu park no so
yes
long jump ne
eno a say me say okọ ye friend say crowfrom ne bantima kanina
kwada so
me ka say me dey so
okay
wo so ga so mpepete ye dey can be fa homa na so chi oh no let me be real aso me ka say na ya odip ben gazinim
engo kan dey wuni macrofrom from eno menya asem
I'm saying say okọ crowfrom okọ Ashtown okọ Bantiba or the emphasis is some part of these areas
can no ana woka
well a bit where can a bit where to see her but the thing say we wa just say on pepeta enya hwe so was a peta nam na da ho no enya hwe wo mpe ye de kan be fa ho na ye so chi ma na ye sakokọ nam na otu ogusu na wudi sa de ga na yesu ba
say ayi grounds ayi ba ku yi
okra
there be aponchi kokko yi
baby Obey. Yeah, the better no appointed sisi ya.
Aponchi kokko yi.
Yeah, the black camera better no appointed sisi ya.
Aponchi kokko.
Yeah, the camera farm na ye so chi the amount no abeka sakokọ na. Eso pete no are no.
So that is the case.
Yes, ba ya edit hu ani.
That's it. Any
Share. Let me tell you for a fact. Amahudu here oko Germany the best practices almost every country learn from waste management. Germany.
Oh yeah.
It is Germany for the be more pressure many more. And my started witnessing some of these Nyamani bi Ghana hanum say but ye deliberate ye sheda e bonin the way you trim. Bonin the way you trim nya bibia o. Here you be see nkonwa you be twa budget na no say 350,000 300 million na am pay ni twa ye no. Jack what they call ye club ho no betime see classroom blocks o.
Classroom na oka.
Na be ka dey say ebesi classroom block as I a French chip compound baako na sabe producer owo ka me maame a wotumi dimrika ko hono mo akosa no ho yare but they be twa dey yes an ema we you be twa dey yes an ema we look we are not ready and willing to face the reality except who say ye wo obi a o make attempt to say oye bibia uhu but obi ho no so as a crocro the john as a danko dada do isuban bi onye wa esen kenken so police ni ono so mo bi ntil da so almost everybody is pretending to be working here in Ghana yehu president ade yehu here and opa wo hu opa my president here na adwe so oba be inspect bad roads e wo Ashanti region so kire no beba and na the grade be kwa kodwini na so
oh ye hu bebre
enye dam
na yi anwan kwanta
enye dam
anwan kwanta ha mampani dada na do ba mesim fidie no na bi wo ha hwe tire ensi fam da
but I'm telling you that's the reality
ho no ye wie na ya abandon no
me say
ene na ye hu adwuma ekoso
enye dam well sometimes eya na massage no credible ho no mo a eya na ya edin adentin here but the truth must be told de bia ye pretend say ye adwuma ye hu ye panifo na ye adwe say ye pretend crocro the dress ye adwuma ye adwuma ye look enema ye di na no enye say ye panifo no mo hyemra no mo nim mra no mo de mra de agu akwa mu say ye ni so no yes so mo nim o they know they have gone to Germany before. They have gone for a series of workshops in Germany when it comes to waste management. Ask me the number of times I want to acquire waste management, what do you call it? Seminars. Outside the country. So many times. I want to do on it.
I say the assembly see sponsor Crawford.
That is
assembly
it.
Members
Yes.
MMDC is a core workshop.
Bebre.
Call ma per diem.
Bebre.
Ebano dollars or ban their paper.
But how do we implement it? The implementation process in this country, this part of the world, is the biggest headache. And we have the 3 assembly members one better than Musi. I said, I'm going to what's the brand? Yes, I'm going to show you what's a brand. But I can't the political will. I can't put me in the assassin the boat. Be between the next 4 back. Say, hey, wait there. What you put a grab here? Look at the name and see what's up for. Yes, ye project to hold more. You have a babu warden. Yes, ye bubu a hold more. What's a one penny? Ye the great cocoa drew a hold muguya. Hey, yet yes so. And I and yes, yeah, who's a draw for this? You got time camera. Yes, you want to say recording for what? We are always pretending to be working. It is just because of one thing. Me say, maybe I am very serious in waste management. Like first of all, we will deal with precedents. Because more than and
is it crowd ye more?
Exactly the point.
For backroom is here develop it. Ye waste in Montana de Biano came me. Say the who no last 2 years. Urano. Uber who said this year about cost Robert Dawson. One share you blame.
Yeah. But Udim.
You see.
Udim the irony of it. Fertilizer here you come for cruise to Kokotobe. Then on there.
Oh, now me can cake up. Where you high?
The compost plant is here.
Yes, but you say you're too.
We are pretending to be working.
Workers, I bet you all because I was a guy. The question me say the question is that we are not doing things right.
And you see, near Sama Yahoso, near Swasika, ye Ghana Sikana see the boy home brano. Near Swania, they are called Obi Man, so near Tony Mana, a bit near Yan or had Musunia caught to Honwaba. Yet tell Musa Mamali for ever sway a board here, dessa, and the free agogo, and the Komali, Burkina. Nanu Burkina for catchers and more brand to your tomatoes, Yama Mubimamonto, because you perceive processing your tomatoes, number to me. You don't quit Jamanso, near your Tony Yason Faso. In 10 time now, pressure by a friend is said President Coco Pet, a Coco Penconia be, no Sinconia, no ne Burkina, Mampaini, a Casano Panacho say, be a mumma and yes, you pay tomatoes living to. They are command that tomatoes, you see, factory, this see when you know, dear,
I say, if we say, Omubia,
dear,
I won't say a dihun come on.
Oh, can you do what's the hot? No more cocoa for Burkina, tomatoes at their bar. No go for Sway, your board, near my friend, nobody a call. No more cocoa process, near Sakakoto, who are no Akatos away, free Gano, we need them, and who's deno. It's Yamona Yedino, ye pay a diano, ye pay double polished rice, ye pay perfumed rice, ye pay way as Yamon yen so talk. A 1 year no. You were 1 year. Here, look at this. Just look at how it has been done. Your fertilizers now, you can't come my craft for no. Wait, Where Ghana mwa? Where you zoom lion?
Yes, K-Cap. Adaja, sorry.
You understand? When you see yet me yo, yeah man abroso. So we cry Ghana hard mu say ya.
Oh yeah.
Yeah fertilizers they better you need now hard mu say near their mercury for no na discard na so aka ha. But when you wear boa no, na ye sanso de Akoma no ne akwa koye. We cry ya better dey produce energy. Sa dey we ya. We. You better dey produce in mu kanea. Sa free we ya ye ka ho asem ya. Ye hu ne ye dey yi. You better dey produce in mu kanea. You better dey ye nema bebre. And it's not like you don't have the engineers. It's not like you don't have the technical know-how. It's not like you don't know what you are doing. But they have refused to do it. And they are pretending to be working. It's yet just sika fanto honomo. Ni ye ka brofo akese sa krokro de job hwe na sika na sa. Sika ni ka sa wo boardroom ansa na pia bonten. Who are you deceiving? 87.9. Ni ya chen na afibia na ritual. Na nipa wu. Sometimes we need to be told the hard truth. Sometimes we need to be told the hard truth. Near a whole ministry of sanitation. Near one single policy. One single policy. I had recycle your waste. Near to me, a man has a strong for what the am. What I can't just say, Bejabola. What do you say? You the Jabola. Yet mean Jabola, yet mean Jaisi Giant night. But the reality is that a subman about fast what they are my way, a bet with the produce a friend is saying, fuel, you know that. We bet with the produce fuel.
I may say jobs.
Ask those chemical students.
Opportunities a waha in terms of job creation.
As
job creation.
And
they are on to K-Cap. Go there and see. What they are by pedako because of where I see it.